In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a private server in Roblox Mobile. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and find a game that you want to go ahead and create a server out of. So for this example, let's go ahead and use this game right over here, Murder Mystery 2. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on it. Then you want to go ahead and keep on scrolling down until you see this option that says servers. So please go ahead and press on that. Then from here, you guys should see this option over here that says create private server. Now, I'm going to be giving a quick disclaimer. Some Roblox games actually make you pay to create a private server, and some of them actually give you private servers for free. One notable example, of course, being Grow a Garden. So all you want to do is you want to press on create private server, and then you guys can go ahead and just type in the server name right over here. And for this game in particular, it does cost 10 Robux, so that is a little bit unfortunate, guys. But like I mentioned previously, this depends on what game you're actually trying to make a server in. Some games, of course, don't charge you anything, and others do charge you some Robux for a monthly subscription. So keep that in mind. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.